What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. And today we are going grocery shopping, y'all. I'm taking you along with me into Food Depot. We are going to go buy some stuff for these videos that I need to bring you guys real soon, okay? So if you are here for your first time, I welcome you guys here. And if you are returning to the channel, I welcome you back with open arms. Please do not hesitate to show the video some love simply by giving it a thumbs up. Whenever you thumbs up the video, YouTube will see that you like the video and they will push the videos out into a much wider audience. The channel will grow and the video will also grow. Right? So thank you guys for your love and support always, okay? Alright, so today we are just going to, well, really of a fact, I'm in the supermarket because I wanted to get some oxtails is what I wanted to get because that's what my husband wants. And I just want to pick a couple of things up. And I'm hoping that I don't pick things up that I don't need on the grocery list because I do have a list, y'all. It's right there in my left hand, okay? And then I'm definitely going to get some chicken legs and thighs. And I'm definitely getting what else am I getting? Some corn pigtail or smoked pigtail, because we are going to be making some more barefoot rice and peas, and I'm definitely going to be making some stewed peas as well. So I did pick up a bottle of hot pepper sauce. You guys saw me pick that up. My husband loves his hot pepper sauce, so we're getting that. And then I definitely picked up a cabbage. The cabbage was actually on sale. So I picked up a cabbage because I'm definitely going to be making some steamed cabbage. And then I'm making some cabbage soup. If you guys want me to show you how I make cabbage soup, please comment down below and let me know that you need me to make that cabbage soup for you guys, okay? So I did pick up some Scotch bonnet pepper. Last time I picked up the pepper, hubby said it wasn't hot, so we're hoping that this one is hot. And as you can see in my cart, I do have plantains, some sweet ripe plantains in there, and some green bananas because we are definitely cooking some bananas this week. Right now, another thing that I do love, you guys, when I come to the supermarket, I have to pick up a bottle of sweet cucumbers, y'all. I love sweet cucumbers. I'm addicted, I swear. If you guys see I eat this thing, you would swear that I am with a child, okay? And your girl is not with a child, all right? Your girl, no. But I'm addicted to sweet cucumbers, y'all. I eat it with everything. I even eat it without anything. That's how addicted I am. Oh, honey, honey, honey. All right, so moving along, I wanted to get a can of ackee, but as you can see, that space was empty. They didn't have any ackee. They did have callaloo, but I already have 2 cans at home, so I didn't need to get any callaloo anymore. Now, this particular supermarket, this farmer's market, they don't sell any fresh callaloo. So especially where I'm living, y'all, oh my goodness, you just have to get what you can get, okay? Because and if I do find anything Jamaican in this supermarket, it is very, very, very expensive, you guys. It is so expensive. So I believe the kind of ackee in here is like $14, okay? Is what I paid almost last time I came to the supermarket. Now, another thing that I never leave when I come here is a can of beets. I buy this beets in the can and I buy fresh beets, but they did not have the fresh beets, but I already have some at home, so that's okay. I usually use this beets to make juice, okay? I usually add carrots with it and ginger and lemon. If you guys want me to show you how I make this particular juice, please comment also and let me know. I'm only going to do recipes that you guys are really asking for, unless I'm just in the mood to do a recipe, some kind of a mood, and I'll just go ahead and do it. But if you guys request a certain type of thing and I do have the ingredients at home, then I'll definitely make it for you guys. All right, but if you want me to show you how to make that particular juice that I just mentioned, please go ahead and let me know. Everybody in my house love it. Okay, and when I have visitors come over, they ask me for this juice all the time. So just let me know if you need me to show you how to do it. All right, so over here is where I get my ginger and scallion and thyme and all of that, but I already have scallion that I bought someplace else. So here I am just getting some ginger because again I'm making the beetroot juice in from the can, that is, but I usually use fresh ginger in that juice. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I decided also to get some tomatoes here. All right, and the tomatoes, I'm surprised that the tomatoes, the pricing was good. And I decided to get about 6 of them, and there was just $1 and change, so that was good. I didn't need any big salad, or we call it in Jamaica salad. I didn't need that because I do have some in my home. My husband plants the trees in back, so I do have some from the tree in back. Okay, I'll show you guys in another video those beautiful tomatoes that we plant. Well, not me, my husband does. All right, so I did pick up a bottle of ketchup because me is a Jamaican and me offer up ketchup, right? A lot of Jamaicans say, oh, I don't need ketchup, we don't need ketchup. But listen, when I was in Jamaica, I never eat my rice and peas without ketchup. I'm just saying, okay, to each his own. Now, moving along, I definitely wanted to get some fish. Now, in this particular supermarket, I always find snapper fish here. But they're frozen, of course. If you go to the fish market, you won't see it like this. You're going to get it like more fresh. But this is awesome. This is where I buy my snapper fish. If I can't make it to the fish market, because the fish market from my house is about an hour and a half away, so I usually just go ahead and get my snapper here. Now this is where I'm also going to be buying my pigtail, like I told you before. This is the pigtail, the exact one that I purchased to make that barefoot rice and peas recipe, and I'm getting some more because honey, we're making some more because husband love it, and we're going to make some stew peas. Okay, so I'm trying to find a very nice one is what I'm trying to do, where the price is okay as well, and everything is just right. Some of them I have to say was very pricey. Now the last time I came here, it was very cheap. I paid like maybe $2.50 for the package that I picked up, but today I noticed the cheapest one was like $3 and some change. Okay, so it did go up a tad bit. However, I have to get it no matter if the price went up, because this is the only supermarket in my area where I could find some pigtail for putting on the stew peas, for putting on my rice and peas. So we're going to go ahead and get it here. All right, y'all, so I did pick up some red kidney beans, 1 packet, because I already have one at home. So this one I will be using it to make my stew peas, and then the one that I have at home, that one I will use it to make the barefoot rice and peas. Yeah. Now I was trying to find a nice brand of parboiled rice, but I didn't like the brand that I was seeing. So I'm basically skipping this right here, and then I will definitely be buying that somewhere else. I usually buy my rice in Aldi's, really. My parboiled rice, that is. But I didn't like the one that I was seeing here, and then the price was outrageous, you guys. Okay, the price was outrageous here, so I just went ahead and skipped that. And then I do also buy some instant rice, because sometimes I do get lazy on my tired days, and so I just make a 5-minute rice, and I think I already showed you guys how I made a 5-minute rice into my microwave. So I decided to skip that there also. So I'm going to get the both rice in Aldi supermarket. Now this aisle here is the Jamaican Isle. Yeah, this is Jamaican Isle. So I'm just gonna get a few seasoning here, just some onion and garlic powder. I have so many seasonings already in my pantry. I'm just addicted. I don't even know why I'm doing what I'm doing in this aisle. However, I am going to be picking up a bottle of garlic, chopped garlic, that is. This one is in, I think it's in olive oil. I love the olive oil one. I do like the vinegar one too, but you have to be careful when you're using the chopped garlic that's in vinegar, because it will ruin the flavor of your food. So to be on the safe side, you guys, buy the one that's in oil, olive oil, okay? Because the vinegar one will definitely have your food tasting overly vinegared, okay? All right, so next I need to get a can of coconut cream. They did have fresh coconut, but I did not want to go that route. I just wanted to be fast, easy, and simple when I'm cooking. So I decided to go ahead and get one in the can, and I think that was $1.79. And they do have the powdered one, but I can't eat that because that one have milk powder in it, my darlings. Oh my god, if I ever drink that, put that in my rice and peas, me can't go out the street for 1 week. And then they did have the frozen one, but I didn't want to go that route either, so I decided to just go ahead with a can and call it a day. Now they did have water, so I'm definitely going to be getting a couple of the water here, because they did have that on sale. But as far as the poultry is concerned, I did pick up a pack of legs and thighs. The legs and thighs was also a good price. That was $6.90, I believe that was. So I did get a pack. I'm going to cut up that bad boy, and so it's going to do me 4 dinners, y'all. 4 dinners is what I'm going to make out of that pack. All right, that bag. And then I was trying to see what their price was as far as their chicken wings was concerned. They was overpriced, so we're skipping that. We're going to go somewhere else to get that when I'm ready. And then I wanted to get the oxtail because, y'all, my main purpose was coming to the supermarket was to get the chicken, the basics for make the rice and peas and them something there, and the oxtail. And I'm all over the store picking up things that I didn't even plan to get. Let's just say the oxtail, I believe the oxtail was a bit overpriced. However, I have been to some other places where it was more. Now this one was $13 and some change. I think it was $13 and some change, or $12 and some change. How much is your oxtail, you guys, where you are living? Let me know how much you pay for your oxtails in your area. This right here, it could only plate maybe 2 people, and that's it. All right, so let me know how much you pay for your oxtails down below.
Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, you guys, so it's almost the end of this video. I just wanted to show you the juices that I did decide to get, and that was it for today. I got some juices and I did get some ginger ale. I decided to go with the Sunny D. I think this is the tangerine flavor, I think it was, something like so. But they did also have that on sale, so that was good. And then I picked up 4 different box of juice. What I like about these juice though, they're not sweet. All right, they're not sweet at all. And when you add a lot of ice to it and a little bit of lemon, it is all the way up. It is turned all the way up. Sometimes I had 2 different flavors in my glass, a little bit of lemon or a slice of lemon, and that is it. That's all I need. It's not sweet at all. Otherwise I drink water, y'all. I drink a lot of water every day, but sometimes, you know, you have a little bit of juice, but my husband will have juice, my daughter will have juice and stuff like that. So that's what I decided to get. And if you do have guests, of course you want to have some juice in the house, right? And so the only thing that was left on my list was to get the ginger ale. Okay, I usually get the little 6 pack, the bottle ones. You can find them in Walmart for like $4 or $5 or something, but sometimes this supermarket has it for cheaper. So I decided to get the ginger ale here. They had one on sale for 99 cents. It was $1.79, but it was on sale for 99 cents, and I decided to take it. That's it, y'all. I hope that you did like my little shopping video. See you next time. Like, share, subscribe. Love you. Bye.